Morning student, you see please question number 11 now. In a question number 11, they told you molecular formula is here C8H16O2. Okay, with a dilute sulfuric acid give a carboxylic acid B and alcohol C. Oxidation of C with the chromic acid produce B and C on the dehydration. C on the dehydration gives but1ene CH3 CH2 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2 दिस इज द but1ene। अब मैं ये बताऊँ कि ये but1ene मैंने बना लिया, कैसे बनेगा ये डिहाइड्रेशन? तो इट मीन्स व्हाट विल बी द C हियर? यस, C विल बी obviously CH3 CH2 then again CH2 CH2OH, yes or no? ये हमारे पास C बन गया। एंड दे टोल्ड यू ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ C प्रोड्यूसेस क्रोमिक एसिड ऑफ B। अब इसकी ऑक्सीडेशन करनी है। इफ यू विल डू द ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ C then what you will get? CH3 CH2 CH2 COH and you will get a product B। क्लियर? अब B भी आ गया हमारे पास, C भी आ गया। स्टार्टिंग में क्या बोला है? एन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड A विच मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला इज C8H16O2 C8H16O2 with the dilute H2SO4 gives carboxylic acid and alcohol। बेटा अगर इसका फॉर्मूला निकालना है ना आपने तो इट्स वेरी सिंपल, जस्ट डू वन थिंग दैट यहाँ से ये OH है, यहाँ से वाटर निकाल दो एंड यू विल गेट द डिजायर्ड प्रोडक्ट। ओके, डिजायर्ड प्रोडक्ट विल बी द एस्टर्स। आई विल राइट दिस फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस वन ओवर देयर, यू मस्ट सी ऑल ऑफ यू। क्या बनेगा हमारे पास फॉर्मूला? CH3 देन CH2 CH2 CO then again O CH2 CH2 CH3 esters we will get। Is that clear? This is the molecular formula of capital A. They told you to identify A, B and C, that we have find out. Now student, you see question number 12. Question number 12. Now they told you arrange the following. Number 1 number 1 is there. They told you first of all acetaldehyde CH3 COH, then they told you acetone CH3 COCH3, then they told you ditertiary butyl ketone ditertiary ये टर्शरी हो गया, टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल, ये क्या है? डाई है आपके पास। यस, इज लाइक दिस। ओके, डाई टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल कीटोन। देन नंबर 4 इज मिथाइल टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल कीटोन, मिथाइल टर्शरी ब्यूटाइल कीटोन। Okay, let it be, this is A, this is B, this is C and this is a D। बेटा आपने रिएक्टिविटी बतानी है टूवर्ड्स HCN and CN नेगेटिव इज अ, आई थिंक यू नो वेरी वेल, न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक कैन बी देयर वेयर द प्लस I इफेक्ट विल बी मिनिमम CH3 ग्रुप इज देयर। तो बेटा अकॉर्डिंग टू अस व्हाट विल बी देयर? नंबर वन विल बी द A, then it will be the B। अब ये तीनों कीटोन्स हैं। Why this one is first? Because only 2 alkyl groups, steric hindrance is less, steric hindrance is least। अब इधर देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 मैक्सिमम मैंने यहाँ पर कितने हैं? 1 2 3 and only 4। तो after the B there will be the D and at the end एट द एंड देयर विल बी द सी, क्योंकि सी में हमारे पास मैक्सिमम अल्काइल ग्रुप है. क्लियर. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन सी 12th क्वेश्चन सेकंड पार्ट. Okay, second part of the 12th question, what is here? They told you CH3, CH2, CHBr, COOH, then they told you CH3, okay, then CHBr, CH2, COOH, then after that they told you CH3, CH3, H, COOH, then CH3, CH2, COOH. Am I right? This is what? This is the acidic strength. Now we are having this one. Here Br is very closer to COOH. Here Br is a little bit far away. Br is always showing minus I effect. More is a minus I effect. Maximum will be the acidic strength. Let it be. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is D. So first of all, number 1 will be the A. Then it's B. Then from C and D, obviously there is a D. Then there is a at the end. At the end there will be the C. Why it's C? Because 2 alkyl group is here. Here is only 1 alkyl group. Then after that we are having a third part of 12th question. Okay, in the third part of the 12th question, what is here? Benzoic acid. This is the benzoic acid. Then they told you 4 nitrobenzoic acid, then 3,4 dinitrobenzoic acid, then 4-methoxybenzoic acid. What is it? 4-methoxy OCH3 COOH. Clear? Now, so when we are comparing their acidic strength, then what is going to give over there? But you know very well NO2 group is always showing minus I effect. So if the number of NO2 will increase, then acidic strength will also be going to be increased. So let it be, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So maximum acidic strength will be of C. Okay, maximum acidic strength will be of C. Then after that there is B, then A, at the end D. Why at the end D? Because OCH3 is an electron releasing group. Okay, OCH3 is an electron releasing group. Clear hai? Okay students. Then after that beta question number 13 hai, that you can do it by yourself. All the tests already we have done and you have to remember that. And just remember, this is a very very important question. Very important question. You have to just remember the test, which test is applicable for which aldehyde or ketones. Fine. Or is that clear? Then same way after that we are having a question number 14. But a question number 14b, you will do it by yourself. You will try it by yourself. It's a simply conversion. Same way question number 15, जो question number 15 है, that is also self, because इसमें जो आपने conversion करनी है, you can do the conversion only and only when you can do the conversions only and only when you are knowing the full lesson. Same way question number 16 में जितने भी reactions हैं already we have done. Acetylation, Cannizzaro reaction, cross aldol condensation and decarboxylation already we have done on the copies. Fine. Then after that beta question number 17. In the question number 17 we have to complete the reactions. What we have to do there? We have to complete the reaction. Now you see please, there is a benzene and CH2 CH3 with the KMNO4 Now I think it's clear to you, is very easy कि when you are giving the reaction with the KMnO4 and beta simple, very simple, you can get a carboxylic acid. What you will get? Carboxylic acid. Then you must do its second part. In the second part they told there is a benzene COOH with the SOCl2. I think you know very well. There will be formation of COCl and here is also COCl. Now you see the third part of the complete reaction. third part, what they told you, C6H5CHO. You have to give the reaction with the semi-carbazide. I think you know very well ammonium derivative NH2 CONH NH2. I think it's clear to you. Now this is a Z. Product will be C double bond NZ. Clear? Same way. After that you are having a number 4. In the number 4 they told you benzene. Yeah, benzene is here. या बेंजीन से क्या बनाना है आपने? बेंजीन से ये बनाना है, बेंजीन से आपने ये बनाना है, बेंजीन CO प्लस H. ओके, नाउ व्हाट टू डू देयर इन दिस केस? हमने क्या करना है इसमें? Simply we can give the reaction with the benzene COCl and there will be the removal of HCl and the desired product will be formed. Same way now you can give, you can see number 5. In the number 5 they simply told there is a cyclic ring double bond O, then there is CHO in the presence of AgNH3 twice positive. This is the sign of, yes, this is a sign of what? Tolerance reagent. I think you know very well. With the tolerance reagent, what to do there? Here ketone will remain as it is, CHO will change to CO negative. Same way you can see number 6. In the number 6 what they are asking you, they are giving you, this is a benzene CHO, then COOH, okay, then NaCN and the HCl, NaCN and the HCl. I think you know, आपने सुना होगा साइनोहाइड्रिन. Oh yes or no? अब CHO ग्रुप है ना, तो COOH will remain एज इट इज़. तो यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास? COH एंड देयर विल बी CN. ओके, सॉरी, रियली CHCN. लाइक दिस वे वी हैव टू मेक देयर. बड़ा समझ आई मेरी बात? बिकॉज देयर वाज अ CHO में C डबल बॉन्ड O होता है ना, OH, तो O के साथ क्या लग गया? H एंड यहाँ पर क्या लग गया? CN. ओके, देन आफ्टर दैट यू सी number 7. In the number 7 what they told you, reaction with the dilute, they told you C6H5CHO, then CH3 CH2 CHO, CH3 CH2 CHO in the presence of dilute NaOH. In the presence of dilute NaOH, याद आया कुछ? It is a cross Cannizzaro reaction. Sorry, cross aldol condensation reaction. It is a cross aldol condensation reaction. आ गया याद आपको कुछ? तो one hydrogen will go that side. Clear? तो it will, या C डबल बॉन्ड होता ना हमारे पास, OH, then CH, C6H5, then here is CH, CH3, then CHO. Then you can remove the water molecule. But we can remove water molecule. OH will be from there and H will be from there. Then product will be C6H5CH double bond CCH3 CHO. Okay, then after that number 8th, which one is here? Number 8th reaction is here. You see CH3 CO CH2 COO C2H5, then reduction with the NaBH4. Reduction is with the NaBH4, but simply CO group will go under the reduction. So it will give, what it is going to give? It will give CHOH. Rest of the product will remain same. Then after that, number 9. In the number 9, simple रिंग इज देयर OH CrO3, बेटा ऑक्सीडेशन होती है CrO3 के साथ. ओके, देन दिस वन विल गिव like this way. Then after that number 10 is here, ring is here, double bond CH2, and they have made this one CHO. And what they are asking your reason means what we have used in between of them. But first of all we are undergoing the बोरेशन रिएक्शन, आई थिंक विद द B2H6. आ गया याद आपको कुछ? तो यहाँ पर क्या बनेगा? आई थिंक सो, माइट बी यू आर नोइंग वेरी वेल. यहाँ पर CH2 3B. देन आफ्टर दैट वी कैन गिव द रिएक्शन विद द H2O2 डाई alkyl bromine we have made now. Then we have to give the reaction with the H2O2. ठीक है. Then what you will get over there? CH2OH. Then the reaction with the PCC, because we required only and only aldehyde. Fine. Okay. Then after that, beta, number 11. Which one is here? Number 11. Now in the number 11, what they told you, they have made like this. Ring is there, double bond O, then number 1 O3, then ZnH2O. बट आपको सिंपल है, इट्स वेरी क्लियर कि देयर इज अ ओजोनोलिसिस. क्या हो रही है? देयर विल बी द ओजोनोलिसिस. व्हाट टू डू देयर? इट मीन्स देयर विल बी द rings like this way, like this way, and when you are going to give the reaction with the O3, then there will be the formation of ozonide. Ozonide कहाँ बनेगा? Yes, here only ozonide, and the break will be from there. यहाँ से break होगा तो this one will be formed. Okay student, I hope you all are getting my point. Okay, thank you very much for today. We will meet in our next video tomorrow. Thank